how to download Java for free. Just go to Google and type Java JDK. It will pop up with the result. Click on that. You will see a page called Oracle, which is a very famous company. Wait for it to open. Yeah, it has popped up. Now move down. This is the Java Standard Edition 8U25 that you have to download. JDK and JRE are the two versions. If you download JDK, JRE will automatically install. I will show you how to download JDK today. So JDK, you have to accept the license. You have to accept it. Then you have to go and see that if Windows is your operating system, then check out if it is a 32-bit or a 64-bit by opening computer properties. Mine is a 64-bit, so it is called x64. If it is a 32-bit, it will be called x86. So mine is x64, so I'm going to download the x64 version. If yours is 32, download the 32-bit version. I have already downloaded it, so I'm closing it. In the Internet Download Manager, it is there. You have to open it and just run the setup. It will be a very simple process. Now we have to download Eclipse IDE, which is the runtime environment for Java. Just type Eclipse IDE. You will see the page Eclipse downloads. Open it. There are two versions of Eclipse IDE. One is for Java developers and the next is for Java Enterprise Edition developers. I hope you will download Java developers 32-bit if it yours. Mine is 64-bit, so I'm downloading it. I have already downloaded it, so I'm closing it. It will be there in the IDM, Internet Download Manager. You can download that. Now move the Eclipse file into a new folder and name it Eclipse. Then extract here by left clicking. Then Eclipse file will open up. Now we have to find the Eclipse in that, and it will pop up with the Eclipse Luna version. You have already installed Java, so it is loading. It will be opening shortly. Yeah, it has opened. Now you have to go to File, New Java Project. It will create a project. Then you have to double click on that. Then a source will pop up. Now new and a package. A package, you have to open that. Then you have to right click, new, again a class. Here you have to specify public static void main. So it will open up with first project Java. I named it like that. You can name it anywhere you want in the pop-up page. So now I hope you will enjoy your programming. I am Nathan and I say bye to you. How to download Java for free. Just go to